Today, my name is Devendran Ananakiagan. So my ID number is DG 25076. So today I want to explain about the software. I'm taking this video for the assignment for the BTS technology. My lecturer name is Professor TS Dr. Razali. So now I want to explain about the software that we're using for the computerized maintenance management system. So now, user ID and password, we just put admin, all small letter, admin, and the password also admin, and click login. So first of all, when we start do this one all. So first we need enter the master. Enter the master. So we should my department is information technology department. So if you want to create the technology, if you want to create the department, so you should press just write department number and description. So this is my example for my department number. So next the failure code. So the failure code we should create here. So my one is I just put 5 failure code for my working. So this one is the example of my failure code. So this one asset category. So the asset category I have 6. So one is IT, office, electrical, networking, equipment, and laboratory. So this one, another one is supply. So this one you see my supply. If you want to create a new supply, you just go press the new supply. So then you should fill up this all to the supply. So this was my example for the supply, and other one is a location. So the locations. So this is my all the location. If you want to add a new location, you just please enter the new location, description, department, criticality, and not to the technician. So this one's my one of my example. So this one is my one of my example, and employee. So if you want to add a new employee, so you just enter the new employee and you can fill up all this one and the hourly salary, overtime rate, all. So then close. So this is my example of the one of my employee. So the asset. So the asset, if you want to create means you want to just press a new asset, click to save, and I have almost 10 assets. So this one my example one of the asset. So we should to create this is all my asset all is one. So cost center. So this one my cost center is automatically came. Job plan, safety. So this is all my safety instruction. So if you want to add a new safety instruction, you just press the enter the new safety instruction. You just put this one and name and click save. So this one my example of my safety instruction here, and so I close. So now I go to the work request. So the work request I have 3 work requests. So if you want to add a new work order request, you just press work order request and you just write yes or no on. So this one my one of my example. So this one's one of my example, and I close it. So close. One of my closing is one department. So if you want to do the you want to go to the preventive close. I want to do the work order. So if you want to do work order, you just go and press new work order. So press new work order, it will show like this. So you should fill up all this one. So this one my example of work order. uh, so this is my example of work order. An example, if you want to I close the work order, we just go to the work order closing, uh, close, and so you should fill up all this thing. So uh, so this one my work order close, and so for the preventive, so PM task list, so you should create this one on. So you just click to new PM checklist. So you should fill up all this one and sections number and task restrictions. And this one is one of my example. An example. Uh, so this one my one of my example estimation labor hours. Checking English, checking discussion, network switch presentive maintenance. This one all my example, and schedule. So the schedule, if you see, we have a lot of schedule here. So if you want to create a new schedule, just click new PM schedule, and you select the fixed day and week and press OK. So then you can add your all the schedule all your so all the schedule. So you just click save and close. So this one of my example and example. This is one of my example of the uh, schedule. So uh, now I enter to the report. So the report. Uh, the report, you should go to the failure analysis type, and you get IT example. It's one an example. IT equipment, asset number, uh, student use, start date. So you just write the date of this example. This one example. Uh, so you just export to the Excel. Export to the Excel. Night, a man looked at his beautiful wife and said, "Beyond." So this one my example of the failure analysis downtime. So this is my one of the my failure analysis downtime, and my and click to save. And this one MTFB record. You just go to the press all. This one also press all. Date receive you. For example, you just put 13 until uh, 14, so you can export to the Excel. So this one is my MTF days of the chart. So another one we can go to the we can go to the supply details. Can enter the so close order list. We just want example. You can give the example. 12 to so for my laptop I cannot open, but otherwise can open and show the all the. So if the print means it all shows the print on. So that's all. Thank you very much.